Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. New reggae sensation Koffee will appear on the Jimmy Kimmel live show tonight. The Rapture singer has been making waves on the music scene since the release of her hit track, Toast. Koffee continues to expand her brand on the international stage as she is set to make her debut on Jimmy Kimmel Live tonight, sharing the news with her fans on Instagram.
I want to do positive music and I want to inspire youth. When I know I want to make a change, that's something that I stay focused on, and I keep creating new things to be a part of that mission for myself.
Koffee is currently working on a new album and a school tour in Jamaica and the Caribbean, and is also reported as a contributor on Rihanna's upcoming album. Koffee's recent designation as the latest up next artist by global streaming service Apple Music puts her alongside previous Apple up-and-coming artists including Khalid. Koffee is fresh off her performance at the Couple Sans Souci in Tower Isle, St. Mary, where she performed at a charity show alongside Third World and Air Supply. Her debut EP Rapture, released back in March, currently sits in the number 3 spot on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Dancehall star Sean Paul is set to return to Israel on July 13 for a single performance at Rishon LeZion at Club Desert. Paul will join an all-star lineup of international artists already performing in Israel this summer, including Bon Jovi, Daddy Yankee, J Balvin, Jennifer Lopez, among others. The Grammy-winning musician is behind hits such as Get Busy, Temperature, and No Lie. He has also been featured on chart-topping singles including Rockabye by Queen Bandit, Cheap Thrills by Sia, Bailando by Enrique Iglesias, and Baby Boy with Beyonce. Sean Paul also recently teamed up with dancehall artist Squash on a new track titled Life We Living. Sean shared his preview of the track on his Instagram account. Life We Living will be released come June 21. Dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta gave his fans a treat with the release of his intro music video for his Reincarnation album. The 12-track solo project features new songs from the gothic dancehall entertainer, including Monster, Be Free, Drunk and High, Heavy, Redemption Song, and Kingdom Come, among others. The DJ dropped his latest album on April 22 and since then has been dropping a slew of new releases. Reincarnation is currently available on iTunes and Apple Music, Google Play, Spotify, Tidal, and other digital media platforms. Now, last year, Tommy Lee Sparta's new creator album debuted at number 9 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The 9-track album, produced by Ricardo Gawi Records, sold 63 copies in the opening week. On the international scene, American rapper J. Cole is gearing up to release his new album titled Revenge of the Dreamers 3, the third project in the series. The first LP was released back in 2014. The new project was recorded over 10 days in Atlanta back in January. J. Cole has released the first 3 singles of the highly anticipated project, Down Bad, Got Me, and Middle Child. The album will feature Ty Dolla $ign, Omen, and Drake, plus Ludacris and T.I., among others. That's it for this evening's edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.